Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are doing a face with a light source from one side, and I am choosing the right side to illuminate the face. So you could just follow along at your own pace, and we are going to put down a generic face, and we start with the usual egg shape and just put in the framework as evenly as possible on both sides of the face, because that is how the shadow and light and tones work best when it is more or less balanced. So once our framework has been put in place, we are going to put in the tones, and the general rule is the face is usually more rounder than flatter, and perhaps around the nose you have a more straightforward angle, but even that is cylindrical in nature. And right around the curvature, the round edges, we need to put in darker tones and then fade them out. But in this case, there is necessarily no light source on the left hand side, so we will try to make it as dark as possible on the left hemisphere of the face. You will need to work darker shadows right around every sharp angle, every raised edge. For instance, you will notice that right under the eyebrows and right beside the nose on the left hand side, which is being cast in the dark, we are putting in darker tones, and then we are using gradually fade out tones as we are moving away toward the edge of the face on the left hand side. And then just to separate the two proportions a little more, we're going to put in a backdrop and just a dark shade right around the left hand side to show a darker tone, and then a gradually more fade out tone on the right hand side or the illuminated side of the face, just to separate the two hemispheres. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.